Describing your home in Spanish and stock? Today you learned 8 words for around the house. Stay to the end for a full recap. Where the cooking happens.
La cocina.
It means the kitchen.
La cocina es grande.
The one you'll always ask for.
El baño.
It means the bathroom.
¿Dónde está el baño?
Where you rest at night.
El dormitorio.
It means the bedroom.
Mi dormitorio es pequeño.
Where you unwind.
La sala.
It means the living room.
Vemos la tele en la sala.
You use it every day.
La puerta.
It means the door.
Cierra la puerta, por favor.
For light and fresh air.
La ventana.
It means the window.
Abre la ventana.
Where meals happen.
La mesa.
It means the table.
La cena está en la mesa.
Everybody's favorite spot.
La cama.
It means the bed.
Me voy a la cama.
Let's recap the 8 whole words from today.
La cocina, el baño, el dormitorio, la sala, la puerta, la ventana, la mesa, la cama.
Subscribe for a Spanish lesson every day. Next video, furniture and objects in Spanish.